Good morning everyone. So we are now in 2023. We have a big racing season coming up this summer, but for now we will be building the car to be able to make at least 1000 wheel horsepower. We will see if the stock cam will be able to bring us to our 1000 gold. So today we will tear down the bottom end. That block made 800 wheel horsepower. So we will be going to look at the bearing and see if everything hold up fine, because the K20 block are prone to have a rod bearing failure. Well, they do not last long. So this block has about 40 pass on the dyno and maybe like 20-30 pass on the drag stripe. So we will go see how everything is going in there, and if you are wondering how to keep those pistons clean like that, you need to run some good fuel. So that's the fuel that I'm running. I'm running the Ignite Red E90. So it's a very good fuel. We made a lot of power with that fuel. And now we have a bunch of parts that came up to the door. So we will go a little bit in that. So first of all, this year we will be running some 13-inch slick, because last year we were on the 15 and that doesn't give us good 60-foot number. So first of all we need some tie rod to clear the rim, and the rim and the tire are in our order, so they should came up to the door pretty soon. I will show that in the next video probably. And for the engine, I went with some reliability to be able to hold the power a little bit more. So first of all, we have some 4-piston 625 stud. Then we have the crank pulley from Drag Cartel with the little keyway, so that we will be sure to not shear that thing off. We have the Drag Cartel chain keeper, just to have some insurance there. Heavy duty cam chain. And we do have the 4-piston chain guide, just because my old one were all scrap with the ethanol mixing in the oil. And we do have a bunch of link sensor to go with the ECU. So we will be monitoring fuel pressure, oil pressure, and coolant pressure. And I needed a bigger map sensor because we overshoot the 4-bar map sensor. So I went with the 8-bar, just to be sure to have a lot of control and not overshoot the map sensor. So I will get the block ready and we will start to tear down that thing. Hey guys, so let's start to tear this thing down. We will probably find a lot of water in there, because we push the gasket, lift the head and push the gasket, so we will see what we will find. I hope that we will not find a lot of rust, because it's been 2 months since I blew this thing up. So let's see. It smelled the P90 in there. Been burning a lot of fuel. Don't know about you guys, but since I start using these Milwaukee tools, all my air tools stayed in the toolbox, and I never get the air tool out again. Always use the electric. It's not too bad. Very not too bad. Oh, it smelled the ethanol in there. So I'm using a Type S oil pump that I have ported a little bit, and everything seems pretty fine in there. So let's go see the rod and the crank with all the bearing. Don't know what you guys are using for oil, but I had some very good luck with the Amsoil 5W50. And then lately I've been using Valvoline VR1 20W50. So everything look good in there. There's not too much play on those two. We'll spin the crank and go see the other one. I don't know if you can see in the bottom there, the oil squirter are blocked because I'm using some forged piston. Those squirter are to cool down the stock cast piston. So I hope I have that box to remove those screws. And yeah, do have the good tool for that. The torque still seems to be good on the lead one, so that's a good sign. Oh yeah, the bearing looks very good. These look very good. I can almost put them back in there. I will not, but can almost do that. Yeah guys, so everything is removed from the engine block. The sleeve look good. I'll just take a light to show you. All the cross hatch is still in there. Some little scuff mark, but nothing too crazy. So everything will be good in there to put back together. All the rods look good. These are Speed Factory rod, rated for 900 wheel horsepower. So we will try to push them to 1000 and see if they will hold. Because for not next year, next summer, but the other one will probably build a aluminum rod engine block. So all those piston, Whp piston, have holded the power that I've been pushing through the summer. All the bearing look, the rod bearing look good. So a little bit of wear, but nothing crazy. So that's all good. And guys, I'm telling you, if you like the content and if you want to see the 8th gen go in the 8-second next year, please subscribe and leave a like so that my video can go a little bit further in the community. So yeah, that's it. That's the K20 Z3 block, and it will be ready for a big cleanup and to be put back together. So have a good one, guys. See you.